Did you know that the average elevator pitch lasts less than 30 seconds? Yet, in that time, you have to first get their attention, second, cause interest, third, create desire, fourth, get them to take action, and fifth, leave them wanting more. Now, that's a lot to do in a very short period of time. Yes, those short 30 seconds can make or break a sale, land a client, or lose your dream prospect, make you millions, or leave you broke. You're gambling a lot on a very short period of time. And as essential as that pitch can be, there's another pitch that's even more important than an elevator pitch. It's your online elevator pitch. Only this pitch, your prospect isn't stuck inside four walls of steel for 30 to 60 seconds so you can deliver your entire message. No, this pitch lasts an average of just 3 seconds, and if it's not good, well, your prospect is gone forever. And because you're online, the effects of a bad pitch are amplified. You don't just get notes from the 1 or 2 people on the elevator and leave with a chance to try again better next time. No, online is different. You might have hundreds or thousands of people coming to your website each day. If you don't grab their attention, cause interest, create desire, and get them to take action fast, you're going to watch as thousands of your dream prospects quietly slip through your fingers each day. Thousands of missed sales and hundreds of lost opportunities, all leading you to wonder what could have happened if you had the perfect online elevator pitch from day one. Hi, we're ExplainVid.com, and we realize that you have one chance to make a great first impression online. But more importantly, you only have about 3 seconds to make that first impression, or your dream prospect will be gone forever. So we do this by creating powerful 30-second to 3-minute long explainer videos that we call your online elevator pitch. It's kind of like this video you're watching right now. Though our videos get people's attention fast. We know the elevator pitches work because your prospects are locked in by 4 walls. But because we can't do that online, we make your videos so captivating that your visitors couldn't leave if they wanted to. Now, this is how the process works. First, you tell us about your product or service. Then our team of writers will write up your script that will captivate your audience. Second, our team of designers will mock up a storyboard showing you screen by screen what your animation will look like. Now, after you approve the storyboard, that's when the magic begins. We will then finish designing, animate, and add the music, sound effects, and voiceovers and build you the perfect online elevator pitch. One that will convert your dream prospects into your dream clients. We've already built videos for some of the top online companies in the world, and now we're ready to work on your video. So fill out the form on our website now, and let's get started on your online elevator pitch.